Welcome to the complete guide to Disney's Port Orleans French Quarters, Disney World's hidden gem. This resort might be compact, but it's bursting with charm, New Orleans flair and Disney magic. From Mickey Beignets to beautiful courtyards and peaceful boat rides, this is everything you need to know before you book. Port Orleans French Quarters opened in 1991. There are 7 three-storey buildings with just over 1,000 rooms, making it the smallest of the moderate resorts. Styled after the New Orleans French Quarters with cobbled streets, gas lights and wrought iron balconies, is bursting with character. Each building has stairs and a lift, and all rooms open onto external walkways, making it easy to reach your room no matter where you're staying. As you enter the lobby, the check-in desks are to your right. You can check in through the My Disney Experience app or in person. Standard check-in is from 3 p.m. with check-out at 11 a.m. If your room is ready, you can check in earlier, and if not, the bell services will store your luggage while you head to the parks. If you're moving to another Disney resort, including Disney partner hotels like the Swan and Dolphin, they'll transfer your bags for free, though they won't arrive at your next hotel until after 3 p.m. To the left of the check-in desks, you'll find an ATM and an arcade and a resort shop. The shop is usually open from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m, though times may vary. Inside you'll find snacks, drinks, toiletries and gifts and exclusive resort merchandise, like the beignet mugs and other New Orleans themed items. All rooms have recently been refurbished and feel much brighter, with improved storage throughout. They sleep up to 4 guests plus 1 child under 3 in a crib. Rooms feature 2 queen beds, underbed storage, a mini fridge, coffee maker, smart TV, iron and ironing board, hairdryer, in-room safe and complimentary Wi-Fi. You can book rooms in 2 categories: standard rooms, which are in buildings 1, 6 and 7, or preferred rooms in buildings 2, 3, 4 and 5. Preferred rooms are closest to the lobby, pool and transportation. We stayed in building 2, which was very convenient and close to everything. One of the highlights of staying at Port Orleans French Quarters is Scat Cafe, which is right next to the lobby. This is the only place in Disney World where you can try Mickey-shaped beignets, served with chocolate, strawberry or salted caramel dipping sauce. Delicious, but very, very messy. Adults can also try the boozy beignets. I tried the Bailey's one, which was amazing. Next to the cafe is Scat Cat Lounge, open from 5 p.m. till midnight. Thursday through to Sunday, they have live entertainment from 7:30. The lounge serves appetizers including savoury beignets as well as craft beers, wines and signature cocktails like this one. It's a perfect spot to relax and unwind after a long day at the parks. There is one quick service restaurant on site, open daily from breakfast until late. You'll find Mickey waffles, pasta, pizza and a selection of New Orleans inspired dishes. The pizza is massive, as you can see here, and a great option to share with the family. This is also where you'll find the resort's drink refill station for the Disney's refillable mugs. You can also walk over to Port Orleans Riverside for their quick service and table service restaurant, and you're also welcome to go and use their pool. The French Quarter Resort has one main heated pool featuring a splash pad for kids for under 48 inches, a 51-foot sea serpent slide and a whirlpool spa. Pool hours are 10 a.m. till 11 p.m. and lifeguards are on duty throughout the day, and complimentary towels and life jackets are available for all resort guests. You can relax by the pool with a cocktail from the pool bar, which also serves snacks and free ice water, while cast members lead daily games and arts and crafts for the kids. In the evenings, families can watch movies under the stars, enjoy campfires, s'mores and trivia. For a full schedule of activities, opening hours and more info, just scan the QR code on screen. The only way to get to theme parks from Port Orleans Riverside is by bus, with travel times around 12 to 20 minutes. Buses may also stop at Riverside, so that's something to keep in mind. There is also a scenic, relaxing boat ride along the river that takes you to Disney Springs, running every 20 to 30 minutes and takes about 15 minutes. One of the biggest perks of staying on site at a Disney resort is early theme park entry, which gives you access to the parks 30 minutes before official opening. Ideal if you want to get there for rope drop and get a head start on the popular rides. Here are a few helpful details to know before you book. Rooms usually range from about £220 to $380 per night with no resort fees. Wi-Fi is complimentary and housekeeping is provided every other day. You can also request extra towels, toiletries or rubbish pickup by using the in-room Hey Disney voice assistant, which works like Alexa. There is also a self-service laundry room located behind the pool bar. So is Port Orleans French Quarters right for you? Let's take a look at the pros and cons. Pros. Compact layout making it easy to get around. Beautiful New Orleans style theming with Mardi Gras vibe and jazz music playing throughout the resort. Exclusive and very tasty Mickey-shaped beignets from Scat Cat Cafe. Scenic relaxing boat along the river to Disney Springs. Early theme park entry included. recently refurbished rooms, access to dining and pool facilities at Port Orleans Riverside. Cons: only one main pool, limited dining options compared to the larger resorts, no table service restaurant on site, buses that sometimes have to stop at Riverside, no Skyliner or walking access to the parks. Overall, Port Orleans is ideal if you're looking for a smaller, relaxed resort with lots of character but without the higher price tags of the deluxe resorts. Let us know in the comments if you have stayed here before and what you like most about the resort. Thanks for watching.